today's video is going to be showing you how to turn your OBD1 car into an OBD2 car. You also have to plug in the secondary O2 sensor. Basically, your car does not have that second hole for the O2 sensor. Neither does this car. But on the bright side, I think EG Civics, as well as old Integras, have that hole kind of just pre-done there. It's just a piece of sheet metal there. You just gotta drill it out. Let's take a look, and we're both gonna find out if I'm right or wrong. I'm probably wrong. But this should be too hard because you only need to make one hole in your car to route the sensor. I measured this, and basically the hole you need to cut out is about 1 1/8, so just cut out 1 inch. I didn't get the drill bit that lets you cut out exactly a 1 inch hole, so we're gonna do it the hard way and drill out a hole and slowly bore it out with a Dremel.
Oh my god, that fits. Oh, that actually fits. From the back, the rear O2 sensor for the cat. If I were to just mock it up from here and route it to where I need it to go, it actually fits. Like, it should fit perfectly. Oh my god. Oh, my heart. I was so scared this wasn't gonna fit. So right here is the rear of the catalytic converter. Right in the center, you can see that little hole right there under the level of sheet metal. I'm supposed to drill that out, and that should lead right into the car. We're gonna check that really quickly. I'm gonna have Lawrence take the camera and go up there, and I'm gonna tap on it.
Yes, behind the center console, correct.
Okay, so that's coming up and over there. I'm gonna use this because this is a thinned out part. Oh, duh, I have a fucking step up bit.
If you can do a pistol squat, it means you're extremely athletic.
Eating healthy means that you look better.
I don't know, man. If I feel like 5% of either going to the gym or you don't need to go to the gym to be fit. I retract my previous statement.
Yeah.
Do you eat healthy though? He does not.
I do. I used it for that.
Bro, you're talking to the dude that eats when too lazy to get food. Yeah, I'll just have the whole pack of chicken nuggets.
Me? Me? Or you?
You!
Me?
I remember
yeah,
I asked you once how they went there for dinner. I was like, I had frozen chicken nuggets. I was like, bro, this guy. No judgment. Dino nuggets are cool, but he ate the whole pack.
What do you mean he ate the whole pack?
I feel like sometimes you have really like
I have fat tendencies. You stick the plug. Okay,
Nice.
Cool. And then, how much more? Looks like it's still too small. So empty down here. There's so much space in this back part. Like, you could just stuff a turbo right here.
you have no funny ideas, bro.
Oh my god.
Anti-seize is on.
Yeah, so we got some anti-seize on here already. Super easy. Just get this on here and get a wrench and just make it like good and tight, cause I don't have a way to torque this down correctly. So just like tight enough is good. Tight enough's good. We'll get the rears. I'll put the rear on once I fit it correctly, but now the hole's exposed, so it should be all good to go. Yeah, would you look at that? We fit it.
You couldn't hear him. He said we fit it.
Okay, now I'm gonna take it back out.
For real?
So I hope you enjoyed my very short video on how to turn an OBD1 car into an OBD2 car. The chassis are actually different, as you can see, so am I wrong? But regardless, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want more content like this, because, well, either way, I'm gonna cover how to turn it actually into an OBD2 car, because you need the engine, the harness, the ECU, as well as the catalytic converter for it. And I'm gonna cover all that in a future video, covering the entire overarching process of how I did an OBD2 swap for my EG Civic. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and thanks for watching. Bye!
Fit looking. Yeah, it doesn't. You don't have to be fit to be athletic.
Ugh, annoying. I wish I looked fit.
Get a gym membership.
Haha, no.
Start this program with me.
It's called Eat Healthy. That's the better option.
Alright. Eating healthy doesn't necessarily mean gains.